Welcome to another Wise Maths and Science video. It's asking us to solve this equation. Now you've got 6x multiplied by this bracket, which is 2x plus 3. Well, we need to expand each one of these terms. Let's multiply this with this, followed by this with this, and then what you'll end up getting 12x squared. 6x times 2x is 12x squared, and then 6x multiplied plus 3, which will give us 18. X is equal to 11x, take away 1. What we'll do, let's place them all onto the left hand side. So let's make that as 12x squared plus 18x. The inverse of plus 11x is minus 11x, and the inverse of minus 1 is plus 1 on both sides, that is, and so therefore there's nothing on the right hand side. And then let's tidy all of this up. Combine the like for like terms, you get 12x squared, 18x minus 11x, which will give us plus 7x, plus 1 is equal to 0. What we're going to do, we're going to break this down. I'm looking for two numbers that multiply to give me 1 times 12, which is 12, but they add to give me a plus 7. Okay, so that therefore is going to become, we write it down, 12x squared plus 4x plus 3x plus 1, because 4 times 3 is 12, and 4 plus 3 gives me plus 7. So that definitely works, that combination. And what we're going to do, we're going to break this down over here, split this up. We'll factorize this, and you should get what is common between 12x squared and 4x. That's going to give us 4x. Let's open the brackets. What's left over is 3x plus 1. We keep this sign, and there's nothing common other than 1, so that's going to work out to be 3x plus 1. Notice what's inside the brackets is exactly the same. It's both 3x plus 1, so we can continue with our factorization, and then you're going to end up getting 4x, what's outside the brackets, which is 4x plus 1, multiply that with one of these parents of this bracket, which is 3x plus 1, all of that equates to 0. Now what we need to do is ask ourselves, what number can we place inside here, inside this bracket, so that all of this becomes 0? And so what we could do, we could write it down, 3x plus 1 equals 0. Take away 1 from both sides, you get 3x is equal to negative 1. Divide both sides by 3, therefore you get x equals minus 1 over 3. That's one of our solutions. Another one of our solutions, we need to equate this bracket to 0. So let's start with this, 4x plus 1 equals 0. Take away 1 from both sides. 4x works out to be minus 1, and then divide both sides by 2. X is equal to minus 1 over 4. This is our second solution. So let's highlight that then. So our two solutions then are going to be x is equal to minus 1 over 3 and x is equal to minus 1 over 4. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully you've benefited. Please do like, share and subscribe, as it gives me encouragement to make more videos. Thank you and goodbye.